Ready to take full control of your crypto and move it securely from Kraken to your own wallet? Let's dive in. First, log into your Kraken account once you're on your dashboard. Navigate to the funding or withdraw section. This is where all your crypto transactions begin. After clicking on withdraw, you'll need to select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to send. Click the drop-down menu and choose the coin. For example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now, this is crucial. You'll need the recipient's wallet address. This is the unique identifier for your external wallet. Make absolutely sure you have the correct address. Double check, triple check. Any mistake here means your crypto could be lost forever. You'll also enter the amount you want to send. To find your wallet address, open your personal cryptocurrency wallet application or hardware device. Look for a receive or deposit option. Your unique address will be displayed there, usually as a long string of letters and numbers. Copy this address carefully. Paste this copied address into the designated field on your Kraken withdrawal page. You'll then review the transaction details, including the amount, the network fees, and the recipient address one last time. Once you're absolutely certain everything is correct, confirm your withdrawal. Kraken will likely require you to complete a security verification step, like entering a two-factor authentication code. After that, your crypto will be on its way. Depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion, your funds can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours to arrive in your external wallet. Congratulations! You've successfully moved your digital assets and are now in complete control. For more crypto tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe.